Today we're going kayaking. We're going to one of my favorite places ever in Florida. I have been here every single year since I lived in Florida, which has now probably been 8 years, almost 10 years. It's a place called Weeki Wachee Springs. It's really cool. It's gorgeous. It's different every time I go. There's new rope swings. There's really deep spots. There's really shallow spots. Crystal clear water almost every single time that I've been. It'll be fun. We're bringing a whole group of people. It's kind of like a work trip, but I figured, you know what the heck? We can make a cool little video out of this. Anyways, I'm going to pick up my brother. I've talked about this place for years and told him about it, and for whatever reason, we've just never made it out there. So I'm actually gonna have him kind of help out on the trip, and we'll load up and take off. Dude, freaking Toyota.
For the win.
Check this out. They made one for like good sized mugs, and it's got a handle to fit your coffee mug and one that's tighter. That's freaking winning, dude.
Big ol' loogie.
You film.
You can taste that one through the phone.
Bro, that's crazy.
Morning.
Sick, dude.
So we're on our way to Weeki Wachee.
Weeki Wachee Springs. So we're not necessarily going to be doing like a review of this place, but all their amenities are really cool. They have a whole like water slide section at the gate, and they even have like a mermaid show, but I'm not allowed to go see that. My wife told me I couldn't, so.
You can either put in downriver and paddle up. You can like float back down, or you can put in, you know, upriver and float down and then have to paddle back up. But if you rent a kayak, they have a shuttle service available to you so that you can put in, float down, and then they will drive you back up to your car.
I think their launch fee, if you bring your own kayak or your own canoe, is only like $5. It might be 10. I don't remember. It's cheap though. The current is pretty much taking you. It's really easy. I don't know. It should be fun.
To swim today.
Out here, it's already about to start raining on us.
It already is raining, man. We always get dumped on.
It's good luck, man. It's good luck. Yes.
Yeah, dude.
Hey.
Venomous snakes observed in this area.
But here we got ourselves he's a feisty one.
Bro, easy. Bro, easy. Easy, bro. Oh. It's a shoelace.
Piece of wire.
So a quick little pit stop. It's so warm downstream from you.
Why? What are you talking about?
This water gets nasty, bro.
I'm just adding to it.